Hello everyone and welcome to this 4D Systems quick guide. In this video we'll be taking a very quick look at how to add your own images into your program. In Workshop there are two ways to import your own images to be displayed on the screen. They are the Image and UserImages options. These can both be found in the System Media tab. The image widget is for one still image which will be displayed as a static and standalone picture. This is good when you need a supporting visual element or just a single image on your form. The User Images widget allows you to import multiple images at once and control them, whether this be through something like a slider or just through code and a timer. This is especially helpful for something like an image slideshow or creating an animation and controlling it with code or an input widget. Once your image is on the screen, you can resize the widget using the red outline surrounding the image or using the height and width values in the Object Inspector. Similarly, you can change its position either by dragging the image directly on the screen or using the left and top values. And that is all. Once your images are uploaded, you can compile and flash the program to your display and they will be showing on your screen. You can now use these tools and apply them to any project you like. Thank you for watching and see you next time.